All right, here we are, Mary's Monday Minute. We are on location at the Transportation Department, and right behind me you can see a yellow school bus because today I get to go on a ride along. We have one of our bus drivers. This is Kim. And what bus do you drive? What ride are you?
I'm Route 20. Greeting them first thing in the morning. We're the first face that they see besides their family.
Yep.
And it's good morning. And, a lot of times I'm happy Monday or have a terrific Tuesday. Or I have a little something. I drive little kids. And so they get a kick out of all being silly and fun. And
What do you do on an inclement weather day?
I get up myself and our shop foreman. We get up about 2:30 in the morning, and then we go drive all of the upper elevation roads that we have here in Washougal.
I just want to make sure that everybody is aware of the team effort that goes on in the Transportation Department to help me as the superintendent make an informed decision and to make sure that safety is first for our staff and for our students and our parents as we have school that day or don't have school that day. What does it feel like to drive a bus on? We've got a little bit of weather. It's a little bit maybe snowy down here. What's it like in the upper elevations? What's the difference?
night and day. Just actually the other day, not that long ago, I was fine until I got up to Amateur, turn around, and it was like, ooh, put the drop downs on. The drop down chains are, definitely helpful. They just drop below the back tire and then they spin underneath the back tire to give us some traction. And it's just a little switch that we flip back and forth. And it's just definitely a helpful tool on the bus.
Our day starts when children arrive at that bus stop. And I'm just grateful that we are investing in excellent staff. And so thank you for that. And thank you for that. I'm also grateful that the work that we're doing in the district is clearly evident here in the Transportation Department.